In this video, I want to show you how to do a single crochet decrease stitch. You use this single crochet decrease stitch when you want the shape that you're making to get smaller. Oftentimes at the bottom of the head or at the top of the body, you'll be using a single crochet decrease stitch. So to do this stitch, you're going to insert your hook under the top 2 loops of the following stitch as usual. Wrap your yarn under your hook and pull through so you have 2 loops on your hook. Now if you were working a normal single crochet stitch, you would wrap your yarn around and pull it through both loops. But when you're making a decrease stitch, instead of doing that, you're going to now insert your hook under the top 2 loops of the following stitch. Wrap your yarn under your hook and pull through. You will now have 3 loops on your hook. Then wrap your yarn around one last time and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that makes a decrease stitch. You've now joined 2 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch. So let me show you that one more time. To make a single crochet decrease stitch, insert your hook under the top 2 loops of the following stitch, wrap your yarn under your crochet hook and pull through, then insert your hook into the next stitch, wrap your yarn around and pull through. You now have 3 loops on your hook, wrap your yarn around one last time and pull through all 3 loops to form 1 single crochet decrease stitch. And you can see how already it's pulling my work in and making it smaller.